Drywall work is something almost every homeowner will need to do at one point or another. From the aftermath of a plumbing repair to moving an outlet or even just relocating a light fixture. So today we thought we'd share a little DIY on the subject of moving an outlet and patching drywall.
Don't break your wall.
Break the wall. Screw, put screws in here on the edge of your drywall. It'll give it some rigidity. So otherwise, if you were to go to push on that ever, there would be nothing behind the drywall, and it would just. I'm going to put another block right here just to get a little more. I mean, a little bit of space is fine. That's not going to. I mean, that's still going to be rigid. This whole thing here might be a little wobbly, so we're going to, put this here and. I did put on pretty thick. That's because you're going to scrape most of it off on this first swipe. It sticks. If you don't put on there thick and it's really thin, you'll get little edges like that, and it'll peel off and it'll bubble, and it won't adhere well to the wall. So electricity, 3 wires and a standard plug. It's tamper resistant. Your kids can't, stick forks in there and get electrocuted. Your black will go to your gold terminal. Your white wire goes to the silver terminal, and your bare wire goes to this green terminal. And that's the basics of wiring up a plug.
But you should definitely hire an electrician.
Always hire an electrician.
Licensed
electrician. When possible, hook your wire before setting it, and always hook it in the clockwise fashion so as you tighten it, it doesn't loosen. All right, you want to make sure it's behind. Screw, just like that.
Give us a thumbs up if you found this quick video to be helpful. There's a lot more detail on our blog, which you can find at www.theinspiringinvestment.com. And don't forget to subscribe.